It is. What role should nurses play in improving healthcare systems? Well, I dare say nurses should use their gifts. Some of you are gifted writers. Some of you are able to speak in public. As I said, something I was never allowed to do, although I had plenty to say. um, some of you marvel at statistical analysis, yes, and some of you will be leading teams with innovative ways to improve the healthcare system. Some of you might even rise up into a leadership position in your government representing the people. Oh, a nurse's eye view is very valuable.